What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Imole. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, as you can see, I'm in my Nigerian bag. I'm in my Nigerian bag. Check out this feet. Come on, let's check out this feet. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, that looks dope. All right. So what am I doing today on my video? Today, I want to show you how I make my Nigerian breakfast. Now, I said my Nigerian breakfast, so I'll show you the process. It's very cheap, very affordable. You can try it at home. First on the list, obviously, this is a breakfast made with cassava flakes. So right here, we've got the cassava flakes. There is the cassava flakes made from cassava, and next to that we do have the charred grilled nuts, peanuts. So obviously I do have a bottle of water, another bottle of water, then you have your granulated sugar, and also you have your evaporated milk. This is not condensed milk, it is evaporated milk, so it's different. And I have my bowl where the sacrifice will be made. So let's get into it. Get some cassava flakes, put that in the bowl. Again, it depends on how much, cassava flakes you want. It depends on what your day is gonna look like. So, but it's just a quick breakfast, really quick one. Just put 2 spoons in there and just a little bit more. Yep, that's that. Cover that. Put that on the side. Now you have your charred grilled nuts. Put a couple. I mean, it depends on your preference. There's no measurement to that. In Africa, what we do is pretty much put as much as you can. You just listen to your ancestors. At some point, your ancestors will tell you that's enough. So we don't measure nothing. We just go their vibes, really. So in Nigeria, you go their vibes. I like granite a lot, so I put a lot of granite in there. So that is what it looks like at this point. Now it's time for some granulated sugar. See that? You put some sugar in there as well. 1, 2. Again, in Africa, they tell the men not to eat too much sugar so that they don't get kicked out by the missus. If you know, you know. So that is that. We've got the cassava flakes in there. We've got the charred grilled nuts in there. We also have granulated sugar. What next? It's some water. Now, it depends again on what you want it to be. Do you want it to be watery or a bit thick? It's up to you, really. It depends on preference. I like it to be so comme ci, comme ça. So now put some water and I'll stir, mix it like that, like so. So that's what you get at this point. So what you want to do now is to get your evaporated milk and put that in there. So again, it's up to you how much you want. You want it to be really milky, or if you want it to just be so. So there we have it. That is good enough for me. Just a little more milk, but that's good enough for me. And yeah, breakfast is looking nice. Now what you want to do, let it sit for a bit, and okay, that should be ready now. It's looking good already. Look at that. Wow, this is my Nigerian breakfast. Let's have it. Okay, let's dig in. That is perfect. The groundnut is very crunchy. The garri, perfect. The milk is milking, and the sugar is not too much, not too little, just about right. I mean, oh wow. You can literally hear the crunchiness of the groundnut. It's properly made, proper charred, grilled nuts. I love it. Another one. Let's go. Wow. When you have this and you go out, you're surely gonna have a good day. That's for sure. Just have some more. Look at that. Really dope. Wow. Really good. Have some water. Funny enough, you can have this anywhere. You can take it to work with you. You can literally have it at work. You know, just have the mixture in like a bowl, and as soon as you get into work, put some water in there. You're good. Wow. Now, the local name for this is called Garri. So that's obviously based off the name of the cassava flakes. So the local name is Garri. It's not Garri, it's Garri. But yeah, rich in carbohydrates. Obviously, you got your fat and oil from the peanuts. Got your milk in there, so it gives you energy. This one gives you energy to go through the day, and you won't have any problems at all. Wow. Really good. Give it a little stir again and just dig in. Wow. Look how far I've come. I love this. It gives me like memories from back home. Oh, it's really nice. She's talking to me. Let's dig in. Oh wow. I feel like I now have the power of the Black Panther. Amazing stuff, man. Oh wow. Can have some more water. It's up to you really what you want to do. But wow. This is so good. Let's go, man. Let's just have some more. Have some more. Listen, you can just make this right now. Oh wow. I'm speechless, man. Speechless. Again, I'll just run through the recipe with you. You need some sugar, water obviously. You need some cassava flakes. I have like a whole bowl of that. Cassava flakes, very important, because that's the main ingredient of the food, or the meal if you like. Here you have the grilled nuts. You call them peanuts. This is magical, this one. And then you have your evaporated milk, not condensed milk, evaporated milk. That is the one. And obviously some more water. And a nice bowl to make your quick breakfast. 1 pound breakfast, put it that way. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wow. Ooh la la. Listen, when you have this kind of meal in the morning, I promise you, if you have this before leaving for work, you literally go to work and literally fire your boss. That's how amazing. Well, that's how badass this meal is. Easy to make, literally 1 minute. It's quick, easy, and convenient. Oh wow. This is the point where you do the big blah blah. Oh, but no, I'm not that nasty. Here, have some more water. Oh, wow. This is good. Wow, this is good. Puts me in a very good mood. Where, yeah, man, this is good. Puts me in a very good mood. Gets me ready for the day. I could just literally go out now and achieve all my goals without any stress. But yeah, that is my 1 pound. I said my 1 pound Nigerian breakfast. Don't quote me anywhere. It's my choice of breakfast. Quick and easy. Gives me all the nutrients I need, you know, and all the energy I need to go through the day. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay cheeky, let's go.